Hello guys, and welcome to Go Invest YouTube channel. In this video, I want to do a preview of 1 gram public gold bar. I bought it at a public gold branch located at Jalan Yang Kalsem, Ipoh. I prefer to buy gold bar from an authorized seller rather than from online shop because it might be fake. Watch my Boy Market Harmony video about purchasing gold bar in eBay and click the link below at the description to check it out. I bought this gold bar for 187 ringgit Malaysia only, and it is beautifully sealed in a card form with serial number, the gold card serial number, the best specifications of the gold bar. It's 999.9 fine gold and it's 1 gram, and even there's the gold certificate at the back of it, and even the specification about the gold, that is its weight 1 gram, the width is just 9 mm, length is 15 mm, thickness is 0.6 mm, the finesse is gold. AU stands for gold. It's 999.9, that means it's 99.9% gold, and there's a certified Asaya and a signature, and there is also the name of the manufacturer, that is manufactured by Nadir Metal Refinery, and his sticker is right over here. Can you see the name of Nadir? There. The sticker shows Nadir. And about the gold is 1 gram is not that thick as how I expect it to be. It's just so thin as the cut. It's not thick. It's not thick, just thin, just in small size. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and click the subscription button below this video for more upcoming videos.